What are the requirements for divorce in Nigeria? What will the court consider before the court grants your prayer? Or what do you need to show the court? Now, you have to know this. In Nigeria, before you can even apply to the court for divorce, you have to have been married for 2 years. Although there's an exception to that rule, I'll do that in another video, but you must be married for at least 2 years. So you can't be married for 6 months, 3 months, 1 year, and you just want to conduct divorce in Nigeria. No court will grant it except if it falls within the exceptions. So what are the things you need to show the court? Now, the basic thing you must show the court is that your marriage has broken down irretrievably. Now, that's the basic, or that's the major condition. Now, how do you show the court that your marriage indeed has broken down irretrievably? Number one, you can bring up the issue of adultery. Now, if there had been adultery in the marriage, the man is cheating on you or the woman is cheating on you, now that's a ground for divorce, and there are ways you prove adultery. Number two is if the person is behaving in such a way that you cannot live with that person again. Like the behavior is too bad, the attitude is too bad, and you cannot enjoy it again. Now it's a ground for divorce. Number three is if both of you have lived apart for 2 years and you both consent, that is, you want to get divorced. Now, in the emphasis in the 2 years rule is that the other party must consent, the other party must want divorce. So if you just lived apart for 2 years and the other party does not want the divorce, the court won't grant you divorce, except if probably other grounds, you use other grounds to support. But if you are coming with only that 2-year rule ground, it's not going to work. But if you are coming with the 3 years rule, the 3-year rule, that you've lived apart for 3 years, once you come with that rule, in fact, you don't need to prove adultery, you don't need to prove that he's behaving in a way you don't like, you don't need to prove any other thing. Just that 3-year rule alone, the court will grant you your divorce. Once you've lived apart for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, the court will grant you that divorce. Once you just show the court that indeed you've lived apart, for that long. Now, there are other grounds. I'll share that in another video. So did you gain value from this video? Do you have questions from this video? Share with me at the comment section. I would like to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video, follow me so that you can keep getting more legal tips like this, and don't forget, please also share it to your friends. Thank you.